Ciao a tutti and welcome back to my kitchen, where we explore Italy together through its regional recipes. For today's recipe, we're back in Sicily. Let's make Eggplant Parmigiana. This dish is known worldwide and has many different versions, but this is the one I consider the most traditional. The origin of this recipe is battled between three regions. But Sicily takes the cake, since the eggplant arrived there with the help of the Arabs in the 7th century, who discovered it in India. Enough history now, let's cook! Before we start, remember to subscribe, follow, and support me and my journey through Italian regional recipes. The first thing we're going to do is slice the eggplants with the help of a mandolin. Remove the stems, set your mandolin to a 5mm thickness, spread your hand and carefully slice everything. Once beautifully sliced, place the eggplants on a large dish and salt each layer to remove some moisture. Place a dish on top and press down with some weight for at least 30 minutes. Use whatever you have available. While we wait for the eggplants to be ready, we're going to make a delicious basil infused tomato sauce. In a pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil, throw in 1 garlic clove and 1 onion cut in half. We want them to char a little bit. Once colored, turn the heat to low and add your tomato sauce. Don't forget to rinse the bottle of your sauce. Add some basil leaves, stir everything together, cover with the lid and let the sauce go for about 40 minutes or until it has thickened a little bit. Now place some flour on a tray and lightly coat the eggplant on both sides. The residual moisture will make the flour stick and form some kind of batter. Once this operation is completed, we are ready to fry. Gently place the coated eggplant in the oil that has reached 160 degrees Celsius, which will be enough to fry them without burning them. While frying, always remember to place the food in the oil away from you to avoid hot splashing. Remember, don't overcrowd the pan and cook the eggplants evenly. Fry in small batches, frequently stir until you run out of eggplants. "35 minutes have passed and the sauce has thickened enough. Let's take it off the heat and let it cool. As you can see, the eggplant has crisped up nicely. This step is important for a parmigiana that holds its shape. Before assembly, prepare all of your ingredients on your work surface for an easier process. This is called mise en place. Start with a layer of tomato sauce, a layer of fried eggplants, a layer of shredded mozzarella and grated Parmesan cheese. For retaining some moisture from the sauce, dust some breadcrumbs in between layers. Also add some basil leaves to amp up the sauce's flavor. Repeat this for 3 to 4 times, or until you reach the top of your tray. or until you run out of eggplants, of course. Finish with some more Parmesan cheese and top with some basil leaves. This is going in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, or until a nice coloring is reached. My mom always says that it's done when you can smell it in your kitchen. The Parmigiana is ready. The hardest part now is to wait. Let the Parmigiana rest for at least 10 minutes before cutting into it, so that it doesn't completely fall apart. Okay, moment of truth. Let's cut into it and take a nice slice. Oh yeah, it's gorgeous. Let's do a little zoom here. Wow, no words. I'm so happy, and now I get to taste it. It is delicious. As always, simple ingredients make the magic happen. The eggplant isn't mushy, the cheese makes a nice little crust, and you can really taste the garlic and basil of the sauce. Just amazing. Every step was worth it. As always, I'm going to finish this, and I'll see you next time. Ciao! Thanks again for watching this new episode that takes us through Italian regional recipes. Hit the subscribe button if you love Italian food and want to discover new recipes every week. In the meantime, take care e alla prossima ricetta!